Welcome to the bathroom waterproofing demonstration. Before we begin, let's quickly revisit the first two steps. Always make sure that wall sheeting and floor sheeting are securely installed in line with the manufacturer's specifications. Today is a general demonstration only. Once confirmed, thoroughly clean the area, removing all dust, dirt, grease, and debris to achieve a proper base for the system. For this system, we are using FORSPEC protective coatings, which includes ACTFLEX 500 NP primer and ACTFLEX 989 Cementitious waterproofing membrane. Ensure substrate and all fittings are installed to manufacturer specs before waterproofing. Apply Super Prime 008 to all PVC fittings. This ensures strong adhesion as PVC is non-porous and standard primers may not bond effectively. The first step is priming with ACTFLEX 500 NP primer. Shake or stir the primer thoroughly before use. With a brush, coat all corners, wall and floor junctions, niches, penetrations, and protrusions. Then roll the primer evenly across all floor and wall areas, avoiding puddling. Allow a minimum of 1 hour before applying the membrane, longer in cold or damp conditions. Coverage is approximately 6 to 8 square meters per litre, depending on substrate porosity. Now we move to bond breaker installation with ACTFLEX Mesh Tape. Apply a generous wet coat of ACTFLEX 989 to all corners and junctions. While still wet, embed the ACTFLEX Mesh Tape into the coating, pressing firmly until the product bleeds through the mesh. Repeat for all junctions. Once dry, apply a second coat of ACTFLEX 989 over the embedded tape. At pipe penetrations, apply a thick wet coat of ACTFLEX 989 around the pipe. Embed the tap collar directly into the wet coat, pressing firmly to avoid air pockets. Then apply an additional coat of ACTFLEX 989 over the collar to encapsulate fully. On all FC or Villa board joints, apply ACTFLEX MS Pro. Also use ACTFLEX MS Pro around all pipe penetrations. This modified sealing compound is fully compatible with the ACTFLEX 989 waterproofing system and is applied during the bathroom step. When mixing ACTFLEX 989 Cementitious waterproofing, remember it comes in two parts, polymer liquid and cement powder. Pour the liquid into a clean mixing bucket, then gradually add the powder while mechanically mixing. Mix for 2 to 3 minutes until smooth with a lump-free consistency. Allow the mix to stand for 1 to 2 minutes, then remix before use. Pot life is around 45 to 60 minutes at 23 degrees Celsius. For the first coat, apply to walls first, then the floor using a roller or brush. Work the membrane firmly into the surface and overall detailing. The target dry film thickness per coat is 0.8 to 0.9 millimeters. For the second coat, apply at right angles to the first coat after 2 to 4 hours, or once touch dry. On the floor joints, we also apply ACTFLEX Mesh Tape. This is done last so we can work our way out of the bathroom without stepping on freshly detailed areas. Ensure the total system thickness is between 1.5 and 1.8 millimeters dry film thickness. Pay extra attention to junctions, collars, and waste outlets. Coverage is around 1.2 to 1.5 kilograms per square meter per coat. For curing and tiling, allow 2 to 4 hours between coats depending on conditions. Tiling can commence after a minimum of 24 hours following the final coat, longer in cold or damp conditions. Flood testing requires a minimum of 7 days curing before water ponding, in line with AS3740 requirements. Protect the fresh membrane from rain, dew, or foot traffic during curing. At the final inspection, check membrane continuity, ensuring there are no pinholes, voids, or thin patches. Verify thickness using a wet film gauge during application and confirm that all reinforcing tapes and collars are fully embedded. The system must be fully cured before tiling. This completes the bathroom waterproofing system using ACTFLEX 500 NP primer and ACTFLEX 989 Cementitious waterproofing membrane. This combination delivers strength, durability, and long-lasting protection against water ingress.